Hello everyone, this is Neha and we are studying about the chapter Animal Form and Function. So in previous part of this chapter we have read about the forms of the animal. Now we will study about the skeletal system. First of all we will study about the human skeletal system and how many types of bones present in them. Okay, so let's study them in detail. Skeletal system. Skeletal system is of two types, endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Fish, birds, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, all of these are endoskeleton. Endo means internal, it consists of both bones, cartilage, and they have bony structure inside any organism. So, this is called endoskeleton. That means the skeleton is present inside the body. Cartilage is present between the bones. Insects like honeybee, crab have exoskeleton. They have skeleton outside their body and they also have the endoskeleton. So exo means external. So exoskeleton is the skeleton which is present outside the body surface. Some of the organisms do not have any bone like slug, earthworm and jellyfish. Every human also has skeletal system. When you touch your hand, your head, leg, you feel some hard structure. That hard structure is bones. So bone give you a framework. This is called skeletal system. The framework of the bone that gives shape to our body. Without bones, our body will be a jelly-like structure. That means that cannot be able to stand. Bone not only give framework, it also support in the movement of the body. Skeletal system has some main parts like skull, backbone, rib cage and the limbs. The skull. So skull is made up of two parts, head and face. Head bone are called cranium and face bones are called facial bones. Cranium protect the brain and has flat bones. Facial bones are the combination of 12 bones and has one movable lower jaw. Rib cage or the chest bone. It is formed by a bony cage. This cage is known as rib cage. It can be felt by touching your chest. Rib cage has 12 pair of bones which are connected with the backbone. This cage has a flat plate-like bone called sternum or breastbone. It protects heart and lung, which are very delicate part of our body. Backbone. Backbone is also known as spine or vertebral column. It is made up of 33 small ring-like bones called vertebrae. It run along the neck to the bottom. It consists of 5 regions: neck region, chest region, belly region, hip region and tail region. Belly region consists of 5 vertebrae, chest region consists of 12 vertebrae, neck region consists of 5 vertebrae, hip region has 5 vertebrae and tail region has 4 vertebrae. These have their chemical names also and or medical names also. Backbone help in bending and supporting the body. It is very helpful in protecting the spine cord or spinal cord. which receives the messages from the brain and convey the messages to the sensory organs. The limbs. Limbs are made up of long bones like arm. Arm has three long bones. Upper arm is known as humerus and lower arm has two bones called ulna and radius. They are connected with the collarbone and the shoulder blade. Arm can be moved around the clock. Leg, hind limb. It is also made up of three bones. Upper bone is known as femur and lower bone has two bones called tibia and fibula. These are connected with the hip bone. The skeletal system has different type of bones. Long bones. Long bones are present in legs and arms. Ribs are also counted in long bones. Short bone. Short bones are present in spinal cord, ankle and fingers. Flat bone. Flat bones present in skull, shoulder and hips are flat bones. So this is all about the human skeletal system which we have seen, and now you know about the how many type of bones are present in human skeletal system. In the next part of the video we will study about